Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I got the light which I told in my recent video that I ordered Amaran 100D, and it is with me today, and I'm gonna unbox it today and we'll see what's the light different will make. So right now I'm using the ring light, 18-inch ring light, and this is a newer ring light, and I have one stand with it that I ordered, and I have one the transcend type umbrella that I ordered with that. If you want to go with the budget, you have to go with the umbrella. And that also, like, because I'm planning to do a podcast with one or two people, so the umbrella light will be good to just like light up the whole area. So I did not get the box because it will just light on the one small portion, or as if you want to capture more area, then you have to put it a little bit further away, which I don't really have a lot of space here. So without any further delay, let's unbox it. And they quite sent a big box here, so hopefully it's not damaged. As you can see, this is quite a big box, and I'm excited for that. So a lot of people I watched the review of the lights. A lot of people recommend the GODOX light, which is GODOX SL60, and here it is, the light with another box. Let's put this on the side. This is Aperture. Actually, this is the Aperture company's light, and yeah, so they made this cheaper version of their professional light, which is Aperture 100D, and this is Amaran 100D. So this is a 100-watt light. I did not go with the SL because it's if you are in the like budget, you can go for this light, but if you are not, then you can buy the GODOX SL60. That light is also good, it's not bad, but that is 60 watts, so keep that in mind. If you're planning to put a bigger box, bigger soft box on it, then it might be a less light. So that's why I went with this, and plus this is like more professional, I say, company who made this. Look at the packaging though, and it has a soft pads all around the box, which is good. The light is pretty much protected. I'll not say it's damaged by any means. Look at that. This is the light right here. Amaran 100D. Nice package. So let's open it. There is a seal. That's good to see. So the box is not open. Let's open the box and get our light out. Kind of want to do it on standing position, but I guess it should be fine. Soft. Okay, they give me stickers of Aperture, which is good. 2 of them I might put somewhere. We'll see about that later. Okay, so in the box we have first we're gonna take out the cover. Oh, this is also in the soft padding. Look at that. That is the cap of it. They have a new type of. I wish they would have sent it the old one. But let's just see. Any upgrade should be good upgrade. So let me take the light out. Okay. Yes, this is a very nice build quality right here. Look at that. I hope it's focusing. And it has a small screen in the back, and I will guys show you guys the difference between this light and ring light. So let's see what else we have. We have a power cable, and we have a charger right here, which comes with this zip tied, the metal ring. I don't know, it's for that, maybe to hang somewhere, the charger. So let me put the box inside. and then I'll show you guys the light itself. It's a pretty solid build, I must say, compared to the, it's still plastic build, but it's looks nice compared to the GODOX SL60. I think this one is nice. So I need to probably download the app to connect this with my phone. Okay, I need to remove this cover. So yep, light is in here. Let me show you. This is the light. So let's put the cap in and see. So that's about it for this stuff. I don't know if I have to, like, there is a paper in front of it. I don't feel it. I'm not sure if there is, but this is how the light's gonna look. Let me put this like this way, or maybe I should put sideways. Okay, I'm gonna open the charger and I'm gonna connect it and turn this light on. And before I do that, I need to unbox the stand for it so I can use it on stand. Hopefully you guys will see some improvement in the light. I think I need to, yeah, I can scan this. There is a Sidus app that I can download. Okay, since the app is downloading, I'm gonna unbox the stand and see how is the stand they sent me. Hopefully it's pretty solid and hold the light properly. It is tall by any means. The build quality is pretty much fine, but it's not long enough. Let me put this here and open this clip. Okay, yeah, so I think it should be fine. Yeah, it's quite long enough. Yep, I think this should be fine. So let me put the light on top of it and then we'll see what's up. Or maybe I should connect the light first and show you guys how much brighter it is. Light is plugged in. Let's turn this on, and here we go. As you can see, the light is on and I'm reducing. That's pretty bright. I can't see to the light, so even the 1% light is a lot. So let me connect with the with my phone and see how it's gonna work. Okay, right now I want to control it. How do I white balance, daylight? Yep, as you can see, I can control this with my phone. So let me there is effect also. Let's say if I start this, the app has its feature, its flashes. Let's go with this, fireworks. It flashes with that also, and I'll go with this one, faulty bulb. That's nice, lightning. So it has a different effects, which is nice. The effect should be stop and stop. Okay, let me go back and trouble. So why it is there is no option to just pause it. Let's go to the white balance. Yeah, it's still doing it for some reason. I'm gonna go here and hopefully it won't do it again. Let me put this on stand and yep. So okay. Alright guys, so this is on the stand right now. The light is on stand and it's about 8% as it's showing in the app. Now 18%, now it's 4%. Let me put this down on my face. It's quite bright, so I guess I have to, let's turn this off, the ring light. So now the ring light is off, and tell me how this light is. And the problem is right now there is no softbox on this light, which it was not included also in the app, in the box. So I'm gonna probably use the one I have. Actually, let me just make this 100% and see how bright it is. Oh, can't look at that. I can feel the heat coming from the light. Even it's not that close, like 2-3 feet away, and I can feel the heat. But good thing is, if let me put this on my front and see how different it feels. The space is quite tight. Good thing is it has a circle, so it's not a light. The ring light is quite big and it's just moving around a lot. And here we go. So right now it's right on my face. Okay guys, that's a lot of light, but let's just turn this down like 2. So now it's completely off. If I go, this is like 1% and it's so bright. Let me show you. Look at that. It's like 1% and it's crazy bright. But anyway, don't do any flashes please. So I select something and now it's flashing. Okay, system, white balance. There should be something else. I want to see something like a circular button so I can control that way, but yeah, it does not have that. So white, and there is quick shots, save quick shots. So I think there is like 2 options right now. Anyways guys, tell me how what's the difference does it make with this Amaran light. Let me turn this off. Now it's off. Let me turn on the ring light. You can see the ring light and it's now full. I'm using it like maybe 20%, and this is 100% ring light. So where is the more softer? I'm gonna probably put umbrella with it and see how it's gonna look. There is a option to hook that in. I have umbrella right here with me, but it's gonna probably come in front of the camera, so I have to put the light on the side. So let me just do this. This is like 20-30% light. I still have a ceiling light on, and this is how it looks. So now I'm gonna turn that aperture light on again, and you can see how it looks. This is like 1% of the light I'm using. I think it's pretty amazing how bright it is. But one thing that is staying only on my face, on the table, you can't see anything. So let's unbox this umbrella and see what difference will this make. Will it make the light softer or not? I bought this to just, save some money. Don't have to buy the whole bigger soft box. This will do the job. My channel is not that big yet, so I'm not gonna spend. I did spend already a lot, but yeah, it is. Oh my god, what kind of umbrella did they send me? It looks so weird and it's so small and very like cheap quality. Okay, let me just put this on and see how the light's going to reflect with this. Alright, so right now the problem is the umbrella they sent me is like in the picture it was looking very nice quality, but in the reality it looks very bad quality. So let's increase the light and see how much light it's gonna spread all around. Okay, I mean, still not bad. It's crossing the light, but tell me if it's yeah, now actually it's lighting up the more area with the umbrella light, but I think the soft box will make more sense, and I think it's pretty soft. Right now I'm using like 16%. I'm gonna reduce it, and look at that. If I go 100%, no, I'm not even 100% right now. I'm on 58%, and it's still that much bright. So let me go down to, I think, this right here. So I'm like maybe still bright because I'm losing f16 mm f1.4 and it carries a lot of light inside, so that's why it's also bright. So right now this is like 10% and I think this should be good. So this light right here is pretty amazing and still quite bright. Let me reduce it. Right now I am on 8%. If I go down a little bit more, 7%, the ceiling light is on, so maybe that's why it's making different. I have a 100 watt bulb on the ceiling. There is two of them. So right now I turn off the ceiling light and look at that. This is like 15% of Amaran light and with the umbrella on it, and I think even if I use it like 10%, that should be enough. Even it's a pitch dark, and look at how bright the light is. So this is about it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Tell me what's different you see between the ring light and the Amaran light. I think it's pretty amazing to me. Obviously I spent a lot of money on it, so it's $199, like $200 plus tax, so I'm satisfied with the quality, to be honest, because how much bright it is. It's like future proof. If you want to be a future proof and you don't have to buy a more brighter light like GODOX SL 60 watt, it's not that bright. I don't really had it to experience with that, but the reviews video I watch, I look at that and I seen the comparison. This is much brighter, and if you want to be a future proof and you don't want to have to buy it after a few years again, this is the light you have to go with. So I'll probably see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out.